Hey, Dewey McDonough here from Guaranty RV. We're going to do a walk around on this Northwood product. It's the model 355Z. Alright, hey guys, we're inside this nice Arctic Fox, like I said, out of La Grande, Oregon, Northwood product. This is the 355Z. So inside, you walk in the door, you got a front entry here, you've got a closet, your control panel. Actually, the newer ones, they have solar, 20 amp solar charger on the roof. You got your fan over here, your controls for your air conditioning, everything's right here in the front. Overhead, you've got ceiling fan, you've got your island with the lighted above us, the big island with the big sink, stainless steel appliances. On the side here, you've got your double refrigerator, freezer, nor cold. You've got your stainless steel appliances with a convection oven. You got the new bigger BTU burner with a glass door oven. Inside the island, you've got storage on both sides. So this is the rear lounge model, so you got a lot of windows. Arctic Fox comes with thermal pane windows. The new model has the MCD blackout shades, which is nice. They do the Thomas Paine furniture. And then here you've got, across from the couch, you've got your TV, big screen TV with stereo, DVD player, fireplace. You've got your recliners in the back. You can see out the window. You can actually see the ladder where you can get up on the roof. Above us, air conditioning. You got the fantastic fan with remote control. A lot of cabinets in this unit. So big slides. This is a wide body, so there's a ton of room in here. Now going into the bedroom, you got a nice entry, big steps going in wide. On the right hand side, you got the bathroom, corner shower, porcelain toilet, king size bed with a slide. Washer and dryer hookups in the closet. These newer ones have cedar lined closets. So a little dresser across from your TV, little storage right there, and there's storage under the bed. And this particular one has a second air conditioner in the bedroom with your corner sink. You got your sink there with your corner shower. Plenty of room. I can fit in there. It's got a big enough space, tall. But what a nice unit. Alright, on the outside, guys, we've got, on this side, we've got the electric awning, outdoor speakers. Actually, the new Arctic Fox has the frameless windows. You've got storage underneath, propane tanks on one side. You've got your auto leveling jacks on the other side, push button front. These are actually generator prepped, so you can put a generator in if you'd like. Comes with the MORryde suspension on the MORryde pin box, so it gives you the adjustable side. You got the nice new steps with the MORryde step. It folds up into the door. The big grab handle. This one has the toppers. So if you guys are looking for a nice fifth wheel, like I said, local out of La Grande, Oregon, Arctic Fox is one of our nice products. So come see me, Dewey McDonough. If you can't remember Dewey, just ask for Dewey, Huey, or Louie.